Hey, it's Ian, and today I have a really neat new item. These are the super sticky tabs. Now there are literally thousands of different uses for these, but first let me show you exactly how these work. Now each box comes with 480 double-sided sticky tabs, which is way more effective than traditional double-sided tape, because this is equipped with Ultra Grip nanotechnology, which means you could do more with much less. Now these sticky tabs can be used on almost any flat surface, and with this advanced technology you can also use this on a wide array of cloths and fabrics. So now let me talk about some of my favorite uses for these. Now these are great for decorations. As you can see, I use these sticky tabs to affix my favorite character figures to my desk. And because of the compact size, this is perfect for all kinds of smaller items. And rest assured, these will always have a secure hold. But you don't just want to think small, because these will hold so much more than you would think. We've even used them to secure this carpet down in front of the lobby. And you can even get creative. Instead of punching holes in our wall, we use this to hold up our blue screen. That means this is also going to be perfect for any kind of pictures, posters, and other art you want to display. And best of all, when you go to remove the sticky tabs, they won't damage your walls or peel your paint. Now I'm sure you're going to find tons of other uses for this. That's why each box comes with 480 individual sticky tabs. Now we have an awesome deal on the site for these that you're not going to want to miss out on. So head on over there and grab yours today.